Hello everyone, my name is Abdul Quddus and my daughter name is Maimuna Sultana. She is 7-year-old and she has been diagnosed with MPAL, mixed phenotype acute leukemia. Even now we cannot pronounce this properly, but this is the disease which has been diagnosed in December 2020. Later we had been found like all parents, we also got panicked. We don't know what has to be done, where to go, what to do. But later we had been counseled by Dr. Gaurav Kharia, and he told me that, see, this is a patient, and he gave references. We spoke to a lot of people. He had given the references and we spoke to them. Even we had spoken with all the other doctors as well. But the confidence what we got from Dr. Gaurav Kharia was something different, and we had decided to fly to Delhi. So we came to Delhi in February 24th, and then it has been informed about the protocol, about the discipline, about the team, how it has to be done, what the phases we have to be gone through that. We had gone through that and we had followed the protocol and we had achieved the MRD, and now my daughter is so happy and she is so good now. Like, she had went through all these things, all the BMT protocols and all, and now she is well, and we are happy that we are going with a smile on our face back home. We have our children waiting in Dubai, so we'll go back to our children and now we'll again live a happy life. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much.
Namaste. Greetings from Indraprasth Apollo Hospital, New Delhi. I'm Dr. Gaurav Kharia and I work as a clinical lead at Center for Bone Marrow Transplant and Cellular Therapy. Today we've met a lovely little girl by the name Maimuna. Maimuna is from Hyderabad, so down south, but the parents are currently residing in UAE as the father is working there. Some time back, Maimuna was unfortunately diagnosed with a very rare and a high-risk malignancy, which is called as MPAL. So it's a very rare type of leukemia, which is called as mixed phenotype acute leukemia, where the patient has a component of lymphoid leukemia and a myeloid leukemia both. So these are per se high-risk malignancies. So she was initiated on treatment in UAE, responded fairly okay to the initial treatment, but the response was not great, and that is why she was classified as high risk MPAL, and subsequently she was referred to us for further management. So when she came to us, her disease was not in proper remission, so it was not in control. So we gave her some more chemotherapy, a mix and match kind of a chemotherapy with a bit of lymphoid and myeloid targeted drugs, and we were able to bring her in remission, molecular remission, and subsequently she underwent a transplant. Now she has 3 siblings, but unfortunately none of them were found to be a complete match. So eventually we took her up for a haploidentical transplant, which is a half match transplant using father as a donor, and she sailed through transplant. She did very well, and she's completed almost 100 days post bone marrow transplant. She's looking forward to going back to UAE, and we are happy that we were able to help the family come out of this problem, and we wish Maimuna very best in her future. Thank you.